What's up, Gear Mortals? Trey Xavier here.
And I'm NITA STRAUSS.
And today, I'm going to learn a little bit of a song that you're going to show me how to play on one of these here fancy gift fiddles.
That's my guitar.
This is, well, it's your guitar, but it's mine.
They're all mine.
But if you purchased a NITA STRAUSS Jiva 10 that you didn't read the fine print, they all belong.
They're actually all mine, yeah. So just FYI.
Cool, so we've got identical twin guitars. So this will be easy.
It'll be easy, except for one quick little note. You put yours in E flat, right?
Nope, guess we're going to have to trade off.
So now we're actually both going to use my guitar. And I'm going to show you a little piece of my song, Our Most Desperate Hour, which is the first single from my album, Controlled Chaos. And it goes a little something like this.
Oh, shit, you had me until the end.
It only works if you do the dive bomb at the end. Alright, so you start out with this kind of, it's all kind of hammer-on-knee pull-up-y. And then you get my favorite little legato run.
Okay. So it goes down and then up.
Exactly.
Bam, bam, na, 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 bam, bam.
Got him. Give it a try.
Great. Totally got it.
Exactly.
With the open strings in there?
Exactly.
Like that? Oh, except I blew it again.
I feel like there's an easier way to do that. See, I'm doing it like this.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I was playing the right notes, but a dumb way to do it.
Well, there's no dumb way, but you don't get that slap.
If there's a dumb way, I'm gonna figure it out.
Well, the way is actually, to be honest with you, kind of the easier way, and I kind
But
of
it's
wish
not
I
as-
had played it like that.
It's not as expressive. Oh, okay, you did a little pull up, which you actually said, and if I'd have been paying attention.
Yeah.
Ah! Okay.
Exactly. And then it goes back to
The first
the
thing?
first one again. And then that legato.
Fifth fret, you said.
Fifth.
That was totally made up. I didn't do it right off.
That was almost exactly right. That's right. Here, let me do it.
I'm gonna watch. Do it really slowly for a dumbass.
You know, when you get to that
I'm
point,
almost-
it doesn't really matter how you do it.
Just
And you can quote me on that.
various and sundry hammers and pull-ups.
Start with the right one and then go into how it's hard.
But then.
Yeah.
Oh, this dives very easily, which is good because, like I said, I don't sit at home practicing dive bombs, which is probably to my detriment.
Yeah, it's the most expressive in this instance if you just let it go down.
Nope.
Nailed it!
All right. Cool.
That's
So
the
when
one.
are we going on tour?
I still have to learn the rest of my songs to go on tour.
Pizza pick.
In 2 weeks. Pizza pick.
So why don't you tell the folks at home a little bit more about the album?
This album, Controlled Chaos, I used this guitar almost exclusively on the album. The only thing that was not recorded with this guitar was the acoustic guitars, which I actually would normally use an acoustic simulator, but this time I did use a real acoustic guitar. So besides that, all the guitars you hear on my album Controlled Chaos were recorded with the Jiva 10. I got my band, got my drummer back there, got my other guitar player here, ready to rock and roll.
I'm not really going. Don't expect me, guys.
I don't think I could afford you.
Yeah, I work for Crackers.
Oh, I have saltines in the car.
Boom.
Yeah.
Done deal.
Guitar
Done
player
deal.
right
There we
here.
go.
Done.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button and smack the bell for more reviews and original content. And we'll see you real soon.